everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the importance of how Odoo can help a car dealership, specifically how it can help a car dealership manage the servicing for their vehicles. So in this case, let's get started and we're going to go ahead and go to the project application. So in this project application, we are going to create a new project. Actually, we're going to stay with the projects that we have right now. We currently have body and paint, car detailing, electrical repair, maintenance, parts and labor, rim repair, test drive, and tire repair, which I believe are mostly the projects that we usually have with our vehicles. So we're going to go ahead and go to car detailing. In this case, we have created different stages. So we have created the emptied stage, cleaned, done stage. Let's go ahead and hit new. We're going to actually create a new stage, and we're going to call this one reviewed. This is going to be the review stage before the done stage. See how quickly and easy it is to just move the stages around? Yep. And we are going to create a task. So let's say we have to have a car detailed by tomorrow because there's somebody that's going to come pick it up. So here we are going to put detail lucid air. All right, we're going to add the assignee to Cody. And we're just going to go ahead and open that task. So here we can add the deadline, which is going to be tomorrow. We can add any other tags. Let's see which tags we have. Deep detail if it's necessary. And here in the description, we're going to add any information that we believe necessary that we can maybe pass on to the person who is going to be taking a look at this next. So let's say Cody is going to first make sure of emptying the car. So this is something that all dealerships do, right? We take a look at the car, and let's say we found a wallet. We found a wallet that could belong to the previous owner or probably to one of our sales reps. So wallet found given to such and such. Okay. So in this case, Cody's going to report this, and let's say Cody's done. He has emptied the vehicle, has emptied everything inside it, any personal items, and we're going to pass it on. We're going to actually pass it on to Estrella. So we're going to delete this because Cody's no longer the person in charge of this task, and now it's going to be cleaned. So once this was emptied, our employee can go ahead and mark it as cleaned, and this is going to make it so easy for our detailer to come and take a look at what activities he has to do now. He's going to look and say, oh, all right, we got to take a look at this vehicle. We're going to go ahead and clean it. He's going to read this, and maybe it was his wallet. So now that he knows that there was a wallet found, he can go ahead and look for it. Now, let's say we're done with the cleaning, and we're going to take it to the reviewed stage. So we can move it along just like this, or we can pass it through here. And let's say this car detailing is done, and now our detailer has no other activities done. So the interest in projects and creating the tasks in them, you can kind of make a specific project for a specific person. So in this case, for a car dealership, the detailer is going to be the one in charge of this project. He's going to be the one revising this, and this is going to be kind of like his personal project. Let's say now we're going to go for parts and labor. We also created some stages here. We created the reviewed stage, the ordered, received, and installed. Installed is going to be kind of like our done stage. So let's say we have a car that came in and it needs a new fender. So let's say a new fender for, let's say, for Chevy Stingray. All right, once again, we're going to put the assignee to be Cody and add. So let's just give another example of how this can work. So in the descriptions, this is something very interesting, specifically for ordering parts. Here, you can put any description. Let's say Cody is reviewing it, reviewing what parts are necessary, what parts are going to be ordered. And here, he can even add the description of the part that's going to be ordered. So let's say we can add a part number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? He can give us here the part number. He can give us the PO number. He can also write down here if the part was OEM or aftermarket. Let's say in this case, he ordered a OEM part. he can add multiple details here. And even for the people who are going to be painting this specific part, which is a fender, he can even add here, part comes painted. All right, so let's say this is going to also help the body and paint people make sure that they know that this part already comes painted, so they have to have a different kind of process with it, and they can separate the amount of time and give a more proper quote on how much they're going to take and how many hours it's going to take for the part to be completed and for the part to be installed. So let's say this was reviewed already and Cody went ahead and ordered it. And this is exactly how you can manage all of your servicing for your vehicles. This is something very easy and quick and very simple to understand for all of your employees, for your sales rep, lot managers, your detailers, your admins, etc. This is also something very easy and useful for all of your mechanics, for all of the body and paints, for everybody that's taking a look at your cars and is going to be managing them. This is something very useful and very easy that is going to help you with your car dealership. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and follow us for more tips and tricks on how Odoo can help you in your car dealership. Thank you. Bye.